everyone, hope you're doing well. This is Himadri and around here I go by Dri and this is Drama by Dri. So here I rate, review and recommend Korean dramas and Chinese dramas. This is my first video, so guys please bear with me. So today we'll be talking about a romantic melodrama that is airing on Viki and it goes by the name The Midnight Romance in Hagwon. Yes. As the name suggests, there is romance, there is melodrama. So let's get started. Let's see whether it's worth the watch or not. I have been waiting for this day and it's like a dream come true. So it's Wi Ha-joon's first time as a main lead in the series called The Midnight Romance in Hagwon. And trust me, so far the 2 episodes are out and they are just so good. The storyline, the female lead, she's an instructor at the academy. She is independent, bold, strong and kind, whereas he was her student and she helped her with his scores and getting him into a prestigious university. So his character comes around like confident, assertive, but at the same time he's a bit cheeky and immature. But cut to the present day, 10 years after, he comes back, he leaves his job at a big shot company and is willing to join the same academy as hers. So my thoughts 30 minutes into the episode and I was sold. Why? First of all, the OST, the introduction, it says don't forget about me and it's beautiful. Okay. Secondly, it is directed by the same director who has a history of making the dramas like Something in the Rain, One Spring Night, Secret Affair and many more. So while I was watching those 2 episodes, I got back to the time when I was watching this Something in the Rain and One Spring Night. The cinematography, the scenes and the chemistry, the way they come together, it's just like beautiful. Talking about the 2 episodes, they are slow paced, but I like it. It's more of like a slow burn romance, making room for the natural connections between the characters, which I liked a lot. The story then delves into the cram schools and the pressure in the education system, then the male lead restarting his career, which is obviously opposed by his parents, and then the romance. I think this story has a lot to offer. It says that it is a romantic melodrama, but I guess it is not a typical melodrama or romance stories because it has definitely something different to offer. So that's about it. I really enjoyed the 2 episodes. They are 10 on 10 for me and I am definitely watching this drama. For weekly reactions, you can head up to my profile and watch it there. Let me know what are your thoughts around this drama. Will you watch it or not? I hope you have enjoyed the video and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up, share it and subscribe to my channel, that is Drama by Dri. And I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, you watch The Midnight Romance in Hagwon. Happy watching. Bye bye.